What good is a gift if you don't unwrap it and learn how to use it? Thanks to recent landmark Supreme Court decisions, all Americans have received the return of their religious freedoms. Locked up by bad case law for more than 50 years, we have our liberty back. State and school officials no longer need to worry about knee-jerk litigation brought by their most zealously anti-religious citizens. So, what are the rules now? How are the believers of all faiths allowed to exercise these First Amendment liberties? Well, in this video, we'll give you specific examples of ways you can now exercise your right to worship.
Everywhere that a cross went down, it can come back up. Everywhere that a Ten Commandments was rolled into the closet, it can come back out. Nativity scenes at Christmas, okay? Yeah. Menorah at Hanukkah, okay? Yeah. I mean, this is a total change for our country. I mean, we're a religious people with a religious background, diverse, Catholic, Protestant, Jewish, you name it, right? But those religious values imbue our culture. When you remove them from the public arena, you get a very different morality. And we've experienced that for the last 50 years. This allows the real truth of who we are as a country to come back.
So let's get to it. The Lemon Test has been overturned, and you can confidently and lawfully worship in any of the following ways because students and educators do have First Amendment religious rights inside public schools. A public school district cannot be hostile toward religious beliefs. Students can speak about their faith even when teachers must be neutral. Schools cannot treat religious activity differently than other activity. Students can pray during lunch, recess, or other designated free time. Students can read the Bible or other religious materials at school. Students can share their faith with fellow students. Schools can acknowledge religion when teaching about various subjects. Students can pray, either individually or as a group, at school athletic competitions, student assemblies, or other extracurricular activities when school officials are not involved. In many cases, a school district can allow student-led prayer before an athletic competition, such as a football game, a student assembly, or other extracurricular event. Students can pray at graduation ceremonies or include religious content in their speeches. A public school can actually refer to Christmas again and have a Christmas party if the intent is not to advance religion. And yes, a public school can display Christmas decorations such as a nativity scene. Students can give out Christmas gifts with religious messages at school parties. Students can incorporate their faith or religion in the classroom and homework assignments under normal and appropriate circumstances. Teachers and public school employees can discuss religion with students under many conditions. A public school or a teacher cannot limit religious speech by students unless they limit other speech. Students can have a religious club at their school. Religious student groups such as Young Life can meet on campus whenever other non-curricular clubs can meet. Religious clubs can use the same school resources available to non-religious clubs, like school facilities, bulletin boards, public address system, to promote or facilitate club events. And that Young Life meeting, teachers or public school employees may attend in a supervisory role. Churches can rent public schools for worship services. A rabbi can light a menorah in the park, and a Ten Commandments monument can be displayed. And finally, make a joyful noise. Christian bands and Christian music can be played in schools or parks, just like any other form of music. Please don't take these freedoms for granted. A lot of people, from our amazing founding fathers to today's religious freedom advocates, fought hard for these liberties. Your assignment is to make good use of this video by sharing it with your local city officials, legislators, school boards, and faith-based groups. Let's celebrate that we can express our gratitude and affection through free, revitalizing worship.